if you don't know, Google has teased the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro back in May at Google's I/O event. And even before that, we knew about these phones. And we still don't know quite a lot of things about these devices. Let me tell you. So first and foremost thing, if you're asking, the October 6th event is the Pixel 7 event. So we don't have to wait that long for it. But that might be the good news here. The bad news is that even being a flagship phone, and that is replacing the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will have only 2 storage options. And that's not bad though, but if you look at it, it's 128GB of internal storage and another one is a 256GB only. And that's according to reliable tipster Roland Quant. So the Pixel 7 Pro that will replace the Pixel 6 Pro's 512GB will only have a 256GB of max storage option. And that's sad. Even though the Pixel 6 had only 256GB of max storage, but the Pixel 6 Pro had 512. Why not this year? That is just actually stupid. Now Quant actually notes that it could be that it is only gonna happen in Europe, but what we are hearing is that it is not exactly the case. It will happen in all the regions. So that's actually pretty sad considering it's still a Pro device. Now I know that I love the Pixel 7 design and all those stuff. It does look like a Pixel 6 Pro and that's not a bad thing because the Pixel 6 Pro is beautiful. But what the Tensor 2 chip will bring to the table is kind of sad. So the Tensor was Google's first in-house chip made in collaboration with Samsung, even though they never said it. Now, instead of using typical CPU configuration like the Qualcomm Snapdragon chips or Samsung's Exynos chips, Google went for 2 prime cores, 2 medium cores or let's say performance cores and 4 small efficiency cores. Now this is unusual, but the performance was good enough, but not the best. But then again, we have to consider that Google is all about the AI workloads than the typical performance, the raw performance. Now, here's the thing, we actually found out a benchmark score of the Pixel 7 Pro, and that shows quite a lot of things. The Tensor 2 chip, which is internally known as GS201, will have 2 ARM Cortex-X1 cores, 2 Cortex-A76 cores, and 4 Cortex-A55 cores. Now on Geekbench, this Google Tensor 2 powered Pixel 7 Pro achieved about 10% higher score, multi-core score than the Pixel 6 Pro, which suggests that there is a performance improvement, but not that much. Now one thing that has changed though is the frequency and also the processing node. It's probably going to be 4nm process node and the A76 cluster has been bumped by about 100 MHz to 2.35 GHz, and the X1 core now runs 50 MHz faster than it did before. So it's like running at 2.85 GHz. The Tensor 2 will actually feature Mali G710 GPU, which is said to be like 20% faster and 20% more power efficient than the original Tensor's Mali G78. So I think what this year you can expect from the Tensor 2 chip is that just a slight bit of performance improvement, but mostly all about the AI workload and the ISP upgrade. And that's where Google will definitely gonna focus on because the sensors haven't changed either on both of the phones. But what we actually recently got to know that Google is probably working on an ultra flagship too. And we might just get to see the teaser on the same event. And that's gonna show what Google is capable of. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I want to know what you think of the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro because these two devices look really gorgeous. And you can check out that unboxing video too if you want. So before the outro, here is a Gate Series 2 wallpaper pack. This wallpaper pack contains total of 14 8K wallpapers custom made for your desktops, tablets, laptops and your modern smartphones. You can visit the link in the description below to get a discounted price, or you can simply visit my website joindavid.com/wallpapers to get more discounts. And not just that, you're also gonna find a lot more tech news and stuff much faster than these videos on the website. So definitely visit my website. Until the next one, bye and take care.